Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and this is Sagar 3D Studio channel. This lecture is about how you could define and manage the annotations of your viewport. So I have received many questions about how to removing this text or changing the background of your contour or things like that, or even changing the background of the viewport. I created a video about the background color, so you could follow that video, which I have the link in the caption of this video. The focus of this video is just on annotations and the annotation manager of the viewport. Okay, we just need to go to viewport annotation options, and you have a new window here which you could use to modify and change the attributes of the viewport annotations based on your preference. So the first step is the general, which you can choose what you want to see on your viewport. Let's just set everything off and see the result. Everything is omitted and you just see your simulation. And let's just add the things step by step to know them. Okay, legend, title block, state title block, and text and arrows, which I don't have any text and arrows in my simulation. So let's move to the next tab, which you could see that what I'm talking about. Here is your tryout. You can change the position, the color, and the labels, which could be 1, 2, 3 or X, Y, Z. And you could change the color of tried attributes, and you could change the size. Okay, and you could change the position, which is very beneficial for extracting different kind of imaging or videos for your lectures, reports, or things like that. Okay, let's talk about the legend. You could have a bounding box, which usually is the default option. You could have the legend title or do not have a legend title. You could add a minimum maximum value, which is very beneficial when you are doing a report. And here is again, it's the position of the upper left corner of your legend. You could change the text or the color. You could change the background type, which is actually transparent as a default, but you could change it to different colors. You could match it with viewport, which is actually now a gradient, but I usually prefer to use it transparent. And the numbers could be scientific, fixed, engineering, and you could change different attributes of these numbers based on your preference. Okay, title block, again, you could have a bounding box. You could change the background color and set the font. And again, for the state block, you could have a bounding box and changing the background. Let's change to default. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, turning your notifications on for further review videos about different kind of finite element analysis and additive manufacturing and metamaterials. So thank you so much and have a nice day.